Hi, this is Chris Zitko, and we're going over the HYV1 system and how to do the installation of the USB chip. Here you're going to see the chip itself. All these units, the HYV1s, are going to come with the box, the manual, and the chip. Make sure you remove the chip from the plastic bag that it comes in. As you see, you just open up the front access panel. Right there on the right-hand side, you're going to see that there's a slot for it to go into. There's a little black clip in there that you have to remove. Once you remove that, just take the module, drop it in, and slide it down. Pops right in, you're set, and you're ready to go.